Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Coco Rachelle. I wanted to try something new today on my channel. I wanted to make a wig. So this is for beginners. If some of you guys don't know how to make wigs, I'm not a professional, so I don't really make wigs, but this is for one of my family members, so I'm okay with doing their wigs. So the first thing we're gonna need is thread, as you can see, a needle, and scissors and a wig cap. I got this wig cap from my beauty supply store. I usually use a dome cap, but I use this this is my first time using this adjustable cap. I wanted to see how it works, and I don't know the size of that of my cousin's head, so that's why I decided to just use the adjustable cap, just in case it doesn't fit her, she can adjust it. So yeah, she gave me some old hair, which is not good hair. This is a beauty supply store hair, guys. I do not like this hair, but this is the hair I'm going to be using on the video because it is the hair that she gave me to do this wig. So first off, I'm going to put that lace closure on the front part, and you can use I don't know what they call those things that could hold the hair in place. It's like a needle. I showed it to you in the video if you guys can see. And just keep that lace closure in place, and then take your needle with the thread. I already have some needles ready. Just make sure you have a few needles. I had 3 ready prepared already. So if you guys have 5, that's perfect. If you guys have more, that is perfect. They'll go faster when you have it prepared. So yes, now I'm going to sew in the lace closure first, and I start off in the front and sew the sides first, and then I will sew in the back. I'm sorry if I'm moving too fast, guys. I know I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but I try to make it understandable for you guys to see. I hope you guys can understand. And I will make another video where I use a better hair, and I'll explain to you guys how I do it, and also I'll put it on my head so you guys can see. So this time I didn't put it on my head because it's not my wig. Sorry guys, I just wanted to show you guys these techniques that I use to do my wigs. Again, I'm not a professional. Maybe one day, but yeah, so I'm just using this method where I put the needle through the lace closure, just the ends, and it's just easy. It goes through and in and out, just like that. It's better when you look at it, because I don't know how to explain how I do it. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking out that little thing, that needle that keeps the wig lace closure in place. I took it and put it towards the back so the cap could stay in, could stay in place. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I'm sorry. But yes, I'm gonna sew in the back part there. That's the last part that I'm going to sew in. And then in and out, in and out. Some people use it. Sometimes I do wrap my thread around the needle, but it's not, you don't have to do it, guys. If you could just go like in and out, I feel like that's okay. It'll keep your wig in place. It'll keep the weave in place anyway. It's not gonna move anywhere. But towards the end, when I'm done, that's when I would wrap the thread around the needle. I'll show you guys how I do it here. If you guys don't get it the first time, practice makes perfect. Don't worry, guys.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So this is the part here that I'm going to show you that I wrap the thread. I do not put the needle all the way through. I keep it, and then I wrap the thread around it just so it can make a knot. And you just pull it through, and it's easy like that. You just make a knot, and then you cut it, and it'll stay in place. that's one of the techniques that I use and I want to share with you guys. So yeah, that the lace closure is on now. Now we're going towards the back, and where I'm going to start is right above that band, because that band is where they can where the adjustable strap is. So you don't want to sew the bundles on that band, just sew on top of the above the band. Okay, so that's what I did. And about a good technique I could tell you guys is to put I don't know what they call them, but they use them for sewing. I don't know what they call them, but you can put those towards the end just to keep the weave in place, and you could sew it in. Like I use this I'll call it a stopper or something. It's like a needle with the head on top. I don't know what those called. Please comment below if you know what it is called. Yeah, so it's that, like this little thing there. You can find it in a beauty supply store. I don't know what it's called, guys. Yeah, so that will help you. That will help the bundle stay in place, and it'll be easier for you to sew in the weave. If you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. And also make sure you go and follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. I'll have everything listed below. Yeah. Sometimes it can get knotted. It's okay if it gets knotted. You guys can cut it, and when you cut it, just go through that same place and sew it again, because sometimes it gets knotted and it gets so annoying. But practice makes perfect. I wasn't good at this, as you can see. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it, and I'm showing you guys my technique. So I hope you guys do learn something from this, and if you guys have any tips, comment below. I would love to hear the tips that you guys have. So yeah, and also comment some videos you guys would like to see from me, because I don't know what to do. Okay, so over here, oh my god, do you see this wig? It's a mess. Don't ever get beauty supply store bundles. This is what happens when you leave them for a while. It gets all messy, but don't worry, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna clean this baby up. Yeah, don't mind that. Yeah, so I finished sewing in the bundles. I didn't want to show you guys how that would be a long process, so I fast forward that. I skipped that, and now I'm cutting out the lace there. You cut out the lace so you cut out that part so the lace closure could show. And do you see this mess? But wait guys, I got you. Ta-da! Do you see how I fixed this? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I use a flat iron to do these little curls. It's not the best, but I try to do something with this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button again. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you love this video and if you guys would like to see more of these videos. And comment below other videos you guys would love to see. See you next time, guys. Bye.